Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, since posting a doji star, the Australian dollar took a challenge to the downside and rejected the level of 70.65, and from there is now looking back towards the top side of the range. Still holding above the midway point on the RSI, still at this stage gives lack of a bearish call until we see a break of 70.65. Other than that, I remain neutral and see how the market plays into this week. With the US dollar index posting a 22-month low, the euro has rallied further and posted an intraday high of 117.24 this morning. We are extremely overbought. The ADX is extremely overheating, and I do expect to see a reversal very, very soon. But at the moment, I hold a neutral stance. The dollar yen crushes the level of 106, reaching its objective, and now gives us a target of 105.5 and reassess from there, as we could see some profit taking as we are getting quite low to the oversold region. But with the pound, the market failed to post a free dojis, also known as a doji star or tri-star. Now, with the fact is that lacking that gives me a neutral outlook, but we are extremely overbought, and I do expect to see some kind of correction very soon, as we are waiting now for the FOMC rate decision on Wednesday, or Sydney time, 4 a.m. on Thursday. We're not quite broken but the level, but still holding underneath 134. It does question whether the market can fall further. With the oil being mixed, I'd rather also be neutral here. But when we look at gold, the market has surged up to a high of 1,944 before reversing. I'd rather keep out at the moment. This market's going to be very, very volatile and very hard to actually even trade due to the whipsaw price action. But we are extremely overbought, and a pullback to at least 1,860 is on the cards, but just waiting for the technical signal. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market hasn't really gone anywhere, has it? As you can see, we are going sideways and still lacking any momentum beyond $41.80, and therefore I still feel there is a pullback coming in the making. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.